Oh, it's like going to mass or going to divine service. You know already what is the gospel. It's not like come there and then, oh, so that's the gospel. Oh, that's the music. And then one more thing, recitals. Audience is very, if you drop the needle, you can steal it very loud. That's how recital is. Okay? The moment the piece is already finished, that's the time you can talk or something, talk about. And then the moment that the students play, keep quiet as possible. Something like this. I always prefer no microphones to appreciate the natural beauty of the sound. Okay? Kung magamit ng microphones, it's already a fake sound. It's not the true sound of the instrument. And then this is our challenge. So hopefully for next recital, you ask your kids, what is your piece? And then try to do a little search. What is that piece? What is the story about that piece? So normally during the recitals, wala pa tayo internet, wala pa cellphones, wala pa. Morning lang main. So our appreciation before sa audience is deeper. Not the lyrics, but the music itself. Maski same brand sa music, different interpretation, pamix ng mga audience. Wow, dito siyang like interpretation ko, like interpretation, like story. Sometimes the teacher and the composer is Mozart, but the teacher wants the student play in the Bach style. It's different story. And you know what? During that time, the audience, the people, their interpretation is always holistic. It's always about nature, about God. That's how classic music is. So now, nasa gamay interpretation, we call it classical. Actually, it's classic music. It's not classical. Classical is just the time of Mozart between 1700 to 1800. Okay, tayo mo tayo, classical ay nagituan. Yung nagitukan, bawal dito dahil 1600. So, dili siya. Classic music, classic music. Hi. And then, during recital, never compare your students to other students. Ayaw here, this is not a competition. Okay? We're here. Imagine, we're doing thesis. No? Mag-defense sila. Here. So, kung mag-picture mo, kung mag-video, make it discreet.